Hi everybody, in this video, I'll show you guys an amazing intraday strategy that has a pretty decent win rate. This intraday trading strategy uses two free indicators on TradingView. I will explain the strategy with examples, so make sure you watch this video till the end. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's all for informational purposes only. So I'm in TradingView.com and this is what your chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. I'll cross these out so that I can explain the whole process. I'll be using 15-minute time frame and Heikin Ashi candles for this strategy, and this is what your chart is going to look like in the beginning. Now let's add the two indicators needed for this strategy. The first indicator we're going to add is QT threshold, right here by Cozy 5770. Once it's added, we'll make some changes to it. I'm going to click on the settings right here, and in the Inputs tab, we're going to change the RSI length from 14 to 3. Then I'm going to go into Styles tab, and we are going to uncheck the bar color. We're also going to uncheck these two plots right here, and then we are going to uncheck these three levels and the age lines background. This indicator works like a smoother version of the popular Relative Strength Index indicator. It expands on RSI by adding two volatility-based trailing stop lines. These trailing stop lines are composed of a fast and a slow-moving average true range. So now that we've got our first indicator set up, let's add the second one. We'll go back into Indicators, and we're going to add Xtreme Trend right here, also known as the X trend. The indicator draws bearish and bullish invalidation zones on the chart and marks a trend shift. The blue line represents the long zone, while the orange line, short zone. We're going to use this one. Now let's make some changes to the settings right here. We're going to get rid of the 200 EMA. We're going to change some of these things. We're going to change this color, one from blue to green and color 2 to red. And then we're going to uncheck shapes. Click OK, and now your chart is set up. So what exactly is the strategy? Here are the rules for entering a buy trade. Number 1, you want to make sure that Xtreme Trend indicator line changes from red to green, and you also have green Heikin Ashi candle when the line changes to green. After that, buy signal will be confirmed if the histogram down here is also green. If all these conditions are confirmed, you can enter a buy trade. So, I'll enter the trade right here, and for stop loss, I like to keep it at the recent swing low for this strategy, and I'll take profit at 1.5 risk-reward ratio. So this would have been a profitable buy trade. Now we'll go through the rules for entering a sell trade, which are exactly opposite to the rules for a buy trade. But before that, if you guys are liking this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more amazing trading strategies like this one. So here are the rules for entering a sell trade. Number 1, you want to make sure that Xtreme Trend indicator line changes from green to red, and you also have a red Heikin Ashi candle when this happens. After that, you'll get another confirmation from the QT threshold down here. If the histogram down here is also red, you can enter a sell trade. So, I'll enter the trade right here, and for stop loss, I like to keep it at the recent swing high for sell trade, and I'll take profit at 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. And this one would have been a profitable sell trade. Patience is the key for becoming a profitable trader, so enter the trade only when all the explained rules are confirmed. If one of the rules is not confirmed, do not enter the trade. For example, you can see here, color of Xtreme Trend line changes from red to green right here. Candle is also green, but histogram down here is not green, so you will not get into this trade. Similarly, here you can see green line changes to red, but the Heikin Ashi candle is not red, so you'll also stay away from this trade. As you can see, this trade would not have ended in a profit. Now I'll show you guys some more examples for a buy and sell trade so that you can understand the strategy properly. By the way, if you also want to trade in crypto, don't forget to take a look at the exchange BitGet. I myself also trade on this exchange, and as you can see, I have more than $114,000 on it. So it is a reliable platform where you can open buy and sell positions via your laptop or via the mobile app. Be sure to take a look because they have several bonuses and even a failure bonus up to $4163. The link to BitGet is below this video in the description. Now I will show you some more strategy examples. Here we can see the QT indicator is green, and here the red line changes to green and the candle is also green. So we'll get into this buy trade right here and set our stop loss at the recent swing low and with a risk to reward of 1.5. You can see it would have been a successful trade. Here also you can see the Xtreme Trend indicator line changes from red to green, candle is green, and histogram below is also green. So we'll get in this trade as all the rules are confirmed. Our stop loss will be at the recent lowest point, and again, our trade has ended in a profit. Now let's have a look at a few examples for a sell trade. As explained earlier, all the rules here are fulfilled. As we can see, the line changes from green to red here, candle is red, and the histogram's red color confirms entry for a sell trade. So we'll get in this trade here. Set our stop loss at the recent swing high. And this also would have been a successful sell trade. Here also we can see all three rules are confirmed. Histogram is red, line changes color from green to red, and candle is also red. So again, we'll follow the rules and enter this trade, and with a stop loss set at the recent highest candle and risk to reward ratio of 1.5, we'll hit profit right here. So yeah, overall, this looks like it's a pretty good trading strategy. Make sure you back test it to whatever instrument that you guys like to trade. Moreover, both of the indicators that I showed you for this particular strategy are completely free on TradingView. They're some of the best TradingView buy-sell indicators. So basically, that's the gist of the strategy. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload another amazing strategy, and I'll see you guys on the next one.